Hello, what is up everybody, R34 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video, we will be checking out the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. This is made by Timemicro and 164 ages 14 and up. And you might remember I've done a review of that one. You can go check that out now if you haven't watched it, but if not, you can stick around here to watch a review of this one in this gorgeous looking metallic red color. And you might be wondering, why did I buy another R34? Well, I would say because it just looks absolutely nice. I mean, what can I say? Something that's made by Timemicro is just hard to judge, because Timemicro, like, they do great cars, not gonna lie. I mean, their GTR is great, R35, their R34 is even better. Just gonna put it right there. I won't be comparing it to the Spoon Sports, because you've already watched me review that Spoon Sports. This time, this review is dedicated to this maroon beauty. Now, this is an absolute beauty. At first glance, you look at it, they had 3 color options that come with this carbon fiber hood. One was in metallic white, which is okay. I mean, it came with the carbon fiber hood, but it reminded me of the Mini GT version that came out like a while ago, so I didn't want that. Another one was in that metallic green, I would say, which I wasn't really a fan of it. The green one is just like too underrated, to be honest. I wasn't really a fan of it. And then I saw this. Now this is just extremely beautiful. Just looking at it, ooh. So this is the Nissan GTR Timemicro, and this is piece number 938 out of 999. So yeah, nearly the last few of the pieces that were made. So like, yeah, more than 50 away. So let's go ahead and take this one out. So I didn't go the one with the figure. Instead, I just bought only the car. I was about to buy the one with the figure, but well, it wasn't available there, so I went with the one without the figure. So I mean, it's still fine, just that it includes the figure. That's the only thing that was missing with the car. But yeah, look at that red. Damn, it's just gorgeous. With the golden rims, they look phenomenal. They come with gold and some silver lined rims, which is just awesome. Love the carbon fiber hood as well on this one. And obviously, if you haven't watched the Spoon Sports video where I shoot you the special feature of this car, let me just show you again right now. This comes with an openable hood, which I'm gonna show you up close later. So yeah, the maroon on this car is just incredibly, like, grabs your attention that much. I mean, it looks just awesome from afar. I just really like it, like, when you look at it. Compared to the green and red, white one, I think the red one absolutely takes it. Just that it doesn't really come with the figure, but it's actually fine. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Now, if you might be thinking, is this a display piece or this is more to a playable car? Yes, this is actually a display piece. No, it does not. It's not used for any playability, basically. Like, look, it doesn't really roll that much, but yeah, it's more to display piece, especially when you have dioramas. It would be better. But yeah, let's start from the side of the car right here. So starting from the side, absolutely clean. You have that gorgeous red running towards the whole car. You have these golden rims, I guess. I'm not entirely sure what rims are they using, but they have like that chrome silver lining on it, which is not bad. I mean, like, the rims are quite thin. I mean, like, the wheels are quite thin, the rubber on the wheels, which is pretty interesting. Let's move on to the front of the car. So you have headlights which are transparent, which is nice. So you have the GTR badge right there. You have the exposed intercooler there as well. You have like the GTR license plate on the front, which is great detail. I believe front splitter right here as well. Yep, pretty nice. Then you have that carbon fiber hood with the hood intakes where you can see a bit of the engine right there. Blacked out interior here as well. Wing mirrors or side mirrors are in plastic, I believe, which is just nice. Here is the other side, just if you are wondering, which is pretty nice. I believe the also carbon fiber on this one, which is yeah, pretty sick. The rear lights are not really noticeable because the car is also in red or maroon. GTR logo right there, and then GTR license plate over there as well. Brake lights and reverse lights, and a single exhaust pipe. No diffusers or anything. Nothing too crazy going on with this car. And like I said before, in the Spoon Sports one, it has the exhaust detail, which is where the exhaust come from. Yes, they do color that out, which is pretty insane for a car like this, which is nice. Three screws for the base, just if you're wondering, but 2 for the original base. So yeah, it does quite roll, but it doesn't really roll that much. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, yes, it does have red brake calipers as always on this one. So far I don't see any other color of brake calipers on any other car, which is interesting. So yeah, let's put up the engine. If I can take out, yeah, there we go. If I can take out this, yeah, there you go. And let me just set it up there. There you go. Now you can kind of see the engine right there, the engine bay with the car's engine, which looks crazy nice right there. For extra detail, let's show it on the turntable. So as you can clearly see, there is the engine detail right there on the turntable, and it just absolutely looks absolutely nice. Overall, with the hood up, yeah, you can clearly tell that this is not just any like diecast model, not from any GT or anything. You can clearly tell this is basically from another brand, and I assume many people would think this is from Ignition Model, even though Ignition Model does not do openable parts. But like something from this Timemicro, for this price point and for like the size, it's quite good, I would say, from what they're doing. I mean, like, Timemicro does insane castings and cars just for the purpose so that people would buy them, and then they would use the money just to make more of these cars, basically, like, so that people can enjoy, make them as a display piece for the collection and something like that, and basically to resell them back. Honestly, it's a great casting to be recreated and a bunch of times as well. The R34, basically now there's more than 8 colors of it, obviously, and one special extra color that I am aiming so that I will get it in the future You might already know what it is. Hint, hint. It's one of my favorite. It's not racing team, but it is something like that. But yeah, overall, this GTR R34 in this like color, it's a nice choice of color. Obviously, well, at first I didn't know they would like release this color with like the green and white, and when I knew about it, it's just absolutely insane. For like $25, I had to get it, even though I already have the Spoon Sport edition. I have to go get it and end up buying it, and just by looking at it, it's just like an insane car and casting. Like the whole thing is just perfect. I do really like it. The whole color is great. Car itself is great. Like the whole details of the car, awesome, excellent. Just don't know how to describe. It looks phenomenal. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Nissan GTR R34 Skyline from Timemicro in like this maroon with the carbon fiber hood. Overall, such an insane car. Yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, whether you would buy this car or not. From Timemicro, overall, the details are pretty insane. I do really like them. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.